Today I'm doing curry ackee and tin mackerel. As you can see, I have some ackee already cleaned up, a jack mackerel, pack of curry, garlic, hot pepper, tomato, onion, carrot, sweet pepper, scallion and thyme. Here I have some water boiling. I'm going to pour my ackee in. See, my ackee is boiling. This is all my natural season. I have cut up the tomato, scallion, sweet pepper, onion, hot pepper, carrot, scallion and thyme, garlic. Here I have my pot. I'm going to pour some oil, not much, just a little. Then I'm going to put a piece of thyme and some garlic. Right. And put in some curry in the oil. And stir. Make it burn. Then I add all my ingredients, natural ingredients. Stir it on a slow heat. Don't turn up it too high, let it burn. Maybe for about 1 minute. There's already stir fried. Now I'm going to add some coconut milk. And leave it to boil for about 4 to 5 minutes. I separate the sauce from the mackerel. I'm not going to use the sauce, I'm only going to use the mackerel. Add a pinch of salt, not much, just a little. A little all-purpose, not enough, just a little. And give it a minute or so more to dry down. See? Look on the texture, guys. Look on it. Smells so good. As you can see, all dried down. Now I'm going to add in the mackerel. Add the mackerel. Stir it in. Smells so good. I wish you all could just smell it. I'm going to leave this for about half a minute. Then I will put in the ackee.
Now the ackee is in, and see how my curry ackee and tin mackerel look like, guys. Smells so good. I wish you all could just smell it. Well, I'm gonna heat it with some white rice. Look on it, guys. So please like, comment, subscribe.